Hey guys, it's David. We currently own a RV trailer that is by Forest River Cherokee Alpha Wolf, model number SW-L. And we have a Furrion fridge that's a 12 volt, 10 cubic feet. The model number is FCR10 DCDTA. And we just bought this unit in August of 2020. After a few weeks, the fridge completely stopped working. And then we tried to check the back panel, and as you can see, there is none, since this is a 12 volt fridge. And we're trying everything, messing with the knobs, but the lights just won't turn on. The fridge just wouldn't get cold at all. I went through the manual, tried to troubleshoot, but there's nothing in regards to the situation I'm having. I also checked the fuse, and everything seems fine at the fuse box and also the outside fuse. So when we brought it in to our dealership, we learned some fun facts from our technician about this RV and this fridge. So let's get to it. As a disclaimer, we did put in two 6-volt batteries. That's gonna be in a total of 12 volt to run the refrigerator, and this wasn't the issue that's causing the refrigerator to not run at all. The main issue lies with the manufacturer. The manufacturer actually installed a 12 gauge wire when they first built this RV, and that's gonna cause a blown fuse at the compressor due to overamping because of the 12 gauge wire. And to cure this problem, the dealership will actually contact the manufacturer and get it approved for a warranty repair. This way you could rerun the wire, and what you need to run is a 10 gauge wire and also replace the fuse at the compressor. And after all that it's done, which will take about 4 hours, we got our fridge tested, and then everything was back to normal. It ran 35 degrees at the main department, and also the freezer was at 7 degrees. So if you're having this issue like me and you have done your basic troubleshooting, just go ahead and head to the dealership, get to the service department, and then go ahead and get your RV trailer scheduled in, and then get the wires rerouted and also get the fuse replaced. And I hope this video helps. Please give it a thumbs up so more people could see this video. And lastly, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day.